How to fix team status not showing in Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook application. So from here, you should be able to see the status of a user right here whenever you hover on their profile, or you should be able also to see like there is like a green icon right here indicating that they're online, or gray if they're offline. So right now, as you can see, I don't have that feature, but there are a certain solution that we can do for it. First is that we can double check the options right here. So go to file, go to options, and then go here to people. So from here, make sure that this is turned on. So sometimes this can be a feature right here that can be turned on and off, but in my case right now it's just gray and I can't click it. But go ahead and check in your case if you can turn this on and off, and then make sure it is turned on and then click OK. Now it should be fixed right here, but if it's still not fixed, what you can do is another thing. You can open Microsoft Teams, and then from here click the three dots, go to settings, and then turn this on. Register the new Teams as the chat app for Microsoft 365. So it will also require restarting your Microsoft 365 applications. So from here, when you go back to Outlook, it should now also be fixed. So if it's still not fixed, now what we can do is use the repair feature of Microsoft. So to do that, go right here to search and then type in Control Panel. From here, go right here to Programs and Features, and then in the search bar, type Microsoft. So you should be able to see this, Microsoft 365. So it will depend on what account that you're using. So if you're just using a personal account, you can just see Microsoft 365 right here. But if you are also using a business account, you should be able to see this, Microsoft 365 apps for business. From here, just go ahead and select either of the two depending on what you are using, and then click change. From here, click yes, and then you have two options. You have the quick repair and then you have the online repair. So I personally prefer using the quick repair first because this will fix most issues quickly without using an internet connection. So after you have used quick repair and then you can see that it's still not working, now you can try to use online repair. So online repair will fix all issues but will take a little longer and requires an internet connection. So you can select this option if you're still having problems after quick repair. So from here, choose either of the two on what you prefer and then click repair. From there, it will go ahead and wait for a little while. So you just need to wait for it to finish. So while it is repairing, so it may take like a few minutes before it finishes. And then after that, you can try opening the Outlook application again to see if the problem is now fixed. And then that is it. So those are the different solutions that we can do to fix the team status not showing in Outlook. So I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.